we are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty flagpole. List number 1. Grace Alley Flagpole. When your new flagpole arrives, you will immediately notice the free spin action protecting your flag from being tangled or furled. This flagpole will extend the life of your flag and protect from tears. Mounting bracket and flag sold separately. Designed to be used with 2.5x4 or 3x5 grommet flags or 2.5x4 or 3x5 sleeve flags. A flagpole that will withstand the outdoor elements. You will appreciate that your new flagpole is rust-free due to the brushed aluminum protecting your flag from rust spots. This flagpole was also developed. List number 2. Upgraded Flagpole Kit. Rear on 5 feet flagpole is made of high-quality stainless steel. The thickness of the flagpole wall is thickened from 0.38 to 0.45 mm, which is more durable and will not bend, break, or warp. The wall-mount flagpole comes with 4 sections splittable pole, and flagpoles with threaded joints can be installed without tools. Just need to rotate and twist to complete the installation and disassemble of the flagpole. The house flagpole kit comes with 4 sections. Removable and adjustable flagpoles can be freely combined by reduce the number of mid-poles. Each pole length is 1.3/40. List number 3. Hooson Flagpole Kit 6/4. This flagpole kit is made by high-quality stainless steel flagpole holders made of premium aluminum alloy and powder-coated finish. Adopt exquisite craftsmanship. This flagpole is durable, waterproof, and rust-resistant. The flagpole will not bend, break, or warp easily. The flagpole can be used for a long time. The flagpole can stand strong against winds or rain for the coming years. The flagpole is designed with 5 parts. It can be installed easily. Each part is 15.6 inch and the diameter is 1 inch and about 6 ft after assembly. List number 4. Grace Alley Embroidered American Flagpole. Outdoor flagpole kit includes an American flag made in USA with embroidered stars and stitched stripes, silver aluminum tangle-free spinning flagpole, and white flagpole bracket. Residential or commercial 6 ft flagpole. Aluminum spinning flagpole. Silver 6-foot brushed aluminum. Wind-resistant/rust-free. Made in USA by American workers. Beautiful embroidered stars and sewn stripes. This American flag is made of Durowaiters nylon, finished with a polyester heading for added strength, with brass grommets that will hold strong. List number 5. FFIOY Flagpole for outside in-ground. FFIOY 20 FT black flagpoles are made of heavy-duty 16-gauge aluminum tube, so it has premium durability and rust resistance. 1.97-inch bottom diameter and 1.5 mm extra thick wall thickness design ensure that your in-ground flagpole will stand for years without collapsing. Our flagpole and its accessories are designed in black to show its classic beauty. The 41 FT black rope with a thicker diameter of 6 mm is very strong and durable. You can fly 2 flags perfectly on your flagpole without worrying about the rope breaking. Ideal for yard